Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy eggs empanadas. So we have here in front of us all the equipment we needed, and we got 750 grams of all-purpose flour, about 250 grams of softened butter cut into cubes, and water as we needed them. We have 300 grams of cheese, 3 to 6 eggs as we need them. We're going to do 8 at a time, and 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard. So that's the whole grain mustard. That's for the filling. And for the sauce, we have 2 cups of plain yogurt, and 1 orange juice, and 1 orange zest, and 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard, and 2 teaspoons of chutney sauce. If you don't have chutney, you don't like chutney, you want it a little bit spicy, you can put chili sauce, you can put sweet chili sauce. Okay, but in our family we love the chutney, so I'm just going to put sweet chutney in the dipping. This is for the dipping sauce, and for the glazing afterwards we have 1 egg and a tablespoon of water. So let's get started. So firstly we're going to do the dough. So for the dough we're going to sieve the all-purpose flour into this mixing bowl. And we're going to add in the butter. Just going to mix all that in. We're going to use our hand and try to rub in the butter so the mixture is crumbly. It needs to be in the form of breadcrumb. So just rub in the butter. Now we're going to add in water a little bit at a time until we make it into a dough. Wrap this with a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So while the dough is resting, we're going to do the filling. So we have here 300 grams of cheese, grated cheese. You can use any cheese you have at home. I'm using Edam cheese. So we're going to put an egg at a time, beat the egg until you have the right consistency. Got 4 eggs, so that's the right consistency. I'm going to add in the whole grain mustard, 2 teaspoons of that. I'm going to add in the sweet chutney sauce. And the zest. Yeah. And then we have here the orange juice. Just gonna mix everything in. That'll be our dipping sauce. Mix, and then I'll leave it in the fridge. And just taste it and see. Lovely sauce. Tangy. I'm gonna leave it aside, leave it in the fridge so that it's ready for dipping afterwards. So the dough now ready after resting for half an hour. Make sure you line your baking tray. So the baking tray has been lined. So I'm gonna take out the dough. bit of flour on the surface. Cut the dough into 3 portions, so easier to knead. And I'm gonna wrap the rest here inside while we work on this one here. Ready? Use the cutter and cut to the size you want. So I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of the filling. Less than a teaspoon. Fold them together, and then just pinch the side. Pinch the two sides together. Finger. Just gonna twist them. Put on your baking tray. Just carry on, keep doing until it's all finished. So another way that you can wrap dough is just using a fork if it's easier. Just put it together and just use a fork around it. Okay, and it's done. Okay, I'm just going to glaze with a bit of egg wash on the top before we bake. Make sure you heat up your oven at 180, pan baked, and we're going to put it in for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes until it's light brown. So it's now all glazed, so we're just going to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until it's light brown. So now the pastry is all baked, all nice from the oven. So this is our empanada, cheesy eggs empanadas. Let's serve. So here you go guys, this is our cheesy eggs empanadas. Hope you enjoyed today's cooking. We have the sauce, so you can dip the sauce and you can have it for breakfast, for lunch, for snacks. It's one of our family favorite dishes as well. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.